In this question it is asked that if you factorize this, then what will be the result? The book from where I had taken this question, he has done by proper factorization. That is, you can see very easily, he has written 11x as 9x plus 2x, etc., etc. You can see very easily. I don't say it is wrong. But again, when the question can be done in just 1 second, why to think so tough and waste time when the question can be done within few seconds even? See, this I know that only one of the choice is correct. Obviously, this cannot be correct because in this, if you multiply the constant term, you are going to get minus 6 root 3. Here it is plus 6 root 3. Therefore, this is sure to be wrong. In this, after multiplying, the constant term is going to be minus 6 root 2. But actually, the constant term is 6 root 3. This is obviously wrong. But in this, after multiplying, you are going to get 6 root 3. Here also you are going to get 6 root 3. Now to check the correct choice, compare the coefficient of x square. If you multiply these two, you are going to get root 3x square. If you multiply these two, you are going to get root 2x square. And here, because root 3x square is present, therefore obviously this becomes correct and this is wrong. In this question, it is asked that are these two equal? That is, whether 8 power 4 plus 4 is equal to this. You will say it is a very easy question. Yes, it is a very easy question. One way is just multiply these two and check whether you are getting this thing or not. If after multiplying these two you are getting this, you will say it is correct, otherwise it is wrong. But that is not a smart way. The book from where I had taken this question, he has done the question by normal way. Just he has multiplied these two and complete multiplication, and finally he has got result as 8 power 4 plus 3a plus 4. Hence he has told that these two are not equal. But the smart way of doing the question is, my smart way will be smart in two senses. Even in present case also, the way I am going to tell you will be giving answer very simple. But my way will be very simple to use in other cases also, where some complicated expression in A, some complicated expression in A, and the result is also a complicated expression in A, and he says that whether after multiplying these two you will get this result or not. That is, in case these expressions are complicated and you have to check whether after multiplying these two you are going to get this or not, will be very tough. But see my smart way. My smart way is, if they are equal, if they are real equal, then they should be giving same answer for every value of A. The simplest value I would like to say is 0. For A equal to 0, right hand side is 4, left hand side is 4. But by taking one value, if you are getting equal, it doesn't mean they are surely equal. Usually you will find that even for first value you take, if you take A equal to 0, right hand side is 4, left hand side is 4. Hence you can say for A equal to 0, both the sides are equal. If by chance for A equal to 0 you have got same answer, from here we can't conclude that they are equal. But the benefit you have got is, if I would not have got equal, then immediately I would say they are unequal. But because I have got same, therefore I will try for another value also. But you will say, how long we will go on trying? If by taking A equal to 1 also I am getting equal by chance, suppose, then can we conclude in that case that the two are equal? No, I will say still you can't conclude. Then you will say how long you will go on checking. Then I will say looking at both the sides you can say very easily that maximum power of A is going to be 4. If more than 4 values have told us that both are equal, then I can surely conclude that they are equal. Means the final result we have got is if even for one value of A, left hand side and right hand side are not equal, then you will say they are not equal. That is, in that case, you will say after multiplying these two, you will not get this thing. And if by putting some value of A, you are getting same on both sides, then you will have to go for another value also to check whether they are giving same result or not. And if both sides are of degree 4, then in that case, if more than 4 values, that is 5 values have shown that they are equal, then I can surely conclude that the two are equal. That is, in that case, I will surely conclude that after multiplying these two, you will get this thing. And one thing more, that the author of that book has not multiplied in proper way. I don't say it is wrong, but this is not the proper way of multiplying. This is too much lengthy to check. If he wanted to multiply, then he must have multiplied in this way. That is the smart multiplication. He must have written a square plus 2 plus a and a square plus 2 minus a. That is, this can be written in this way. Then I will say a square plus 2 whole square minus a square. That is, you will get 8 bar 4 plus 4a square plus 4 minus a square. That is 8 bar 4 plus 3a square plus 4. Just like he has got. But his way of multiplying is not a good way. And now, if I want to check with the help of putting values for a equal to 0, agreed both have given same answer. Let us check for a equal to 1. Left hand side will become 4 and right hand side will be 2. Therefore, the right hand side will become 8. But for a equal to 1, left hand side is 5, and because they are not equal for a equal to 1, immediately I will say they are not equal. If by chance a equal to 1 also have given same value, usually it happens rarely, still if by chance a equal to 1 also have given same result in both the cases, then next possibility is take a equal to minus 1. That is, you have to take always simple numbers and check the multiplication. If it is of degree, if both sides are of degree 4, then for surety, for 5 values, left hand side and right hand side should be equal. If for 5 values, left hand side and right hand side are equal, then I can surely conclude that these two are equal. But it depends upon the question which way we should use. That thing depends upon the question. If it is a complicated expression here and here also, in that case best will be put the simple values of a. But in present case, way of multiplying should be this, not this. In this question it is asked that after factorization of this, which result you will be getting. The book from where I had taken this question, he has done by factorizing in this way. The picture is not very clear, but I think still it is legible. Agreed, it is not wrong, but first I will tell you the better normal way. After that I will tell you the smart way also. For understanding the better normal way, try to recall that when you are doing the questions of factorization of quadratic equation in class, for example, you have to factorize ax square plus then the way you were using was using common sense. You try to think those two numbers whose sum is B and product is AC. And once you have got the two numbers, then it becomes very easy to proceed further. The given expression can be written as x square plus a plus b plus c into x plus b into a plus c. If you see carefully, you can see very easily this is the sum of a and b plus c. This is product. To proceed further, we suppose b as p and a plus c as q, and the question becomes x square plus p plus q into x plus pq. This is equal to x square plus px plus qx plus pq, that is x into x plus b plus q into x plus b, that is x plus q into x plus b. Hence we get the result as x plus a plus c into x plus b. Hence we conclude that C is the correct choice. Agreed, it is slightly more simple than this, but the smart way of doing the question will be, it is clear that the expression which will be equal to this, that expression and this will be equal for every value of x. See, for x equal to 0, it is giving AB plus BC. For x equal to 0, it is giving AB plus AC. Therefore, this cannot be correct. It is giving A square plus AC. It cannot be correct. It is giving B square plus BC. It cannot be correct. But it is giving AB plus BC. Hence, this is correct. Therefore, this is the better way of doing the question. In this question, it is told to us that if x is equal to a plus b, y equal to b plus c, z equal to c plus a, prove this result. If you just put the values of x, y, z and simplify left hand side, then reaching at right hand side will be a very lengthy procedure, just like author of that book has done from where I had taken this question. You can see very easily he has put the value of x, y, z here and here also, and after doing the complete multiplication he has reached at the result. It's absolutely bakwas way of doing this question. For doing the question by a better way, you must be knowing that x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is half of x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. And if you use this formula in this question, it will be too much easier as compared to the normal way which author has used. Say, keeping this formula in mind, left hand side becomes clearly x plus y plus z will be sum of these three, that is 2a plus 2b plus 2c, that is 2a plus 2b plus 2c. And keeping this formula in mind, this can be written as 1 by 2 x minus y whole square. According to this, x minus y whole square will be a minus c whole square. y minus z whole square. According to this, y minus z whole square will be b minus a whole square. And then z minus x whole square will be c minus b whole square. And that is a plus b plus c into half of a minus c whole square plus b minus a whole square plus. And now, looking this formula in reverse order, I can easily say this is equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus minus ab minus bc minus a. You can see very easily, looking at this formula, this can be clearly written in this way, and this is clearly equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus CABC, because the standard formula is known to us. In this question, it is asked that after factorizing this, which answer you will be getting. That is, you have to find the correct choice. I will do this question in two ways. One way will be normal way. Other way, you will be using in case formulas of this chapter are not known to you. My aim of telling the other way will be to develop the different way of thinking also. Agreed, the best is you must know the proper mathematics. But if by chance something you have forgot, then you can take the help of other ways, which I will be telling you as an alternative after the proper way. For understanding the proper mathematical way, you will have to remember a formula that, just like you know that a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a is 0. Similarly, there is more formula, and that is a into b minus c, b into c minus a plus c into, this is also 0. And here the formula I am going to use is p into q minus q into r minus p plus r into equal to 0. And keeping the formula in mind that if a plus b plus c is 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. That is, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c is 0. Keeping this thing in mind, we can easily say that p into q minus r whole cube, q into r minus p whole cube plus r into p minus q whole cube is equal to 3 into p into q minus r, q into r minus p into r into p minus q, because just now I told you the sum of these three is 0. That is, we get 3 pqr into p minus q into q minus r into r minus p. Hence you can say D is the correct choice. And just as an alternative, Again I will say this is not the good way. Better is this way. But if you don't know the formula or the proper procedure is not coming in your mind, in that case you can use this way also. This I am telling you just to develop the other way of thinking also in your mind, because finally the main thing is to get marks. Knowledge is secondary, first priority, first thing is to get marks. Say, put some value of PQR. Say P equal to 1, Q equal to R equal to -1. Agreed, I can say 3 also. But I want to take small number so that my calculation is simple. But I will not take any one of them as 0, because if I take any one of them as 0, then all the choices will give you 0. Then I will not be able to see which one is the correct choice. Hence, I have taken all the values different, and now see what I am going to do. By taking these values, this becomes 1 into Q minus R is 27, 3 minus -1 cube, plus 8 into R minus P, that is -2, plus R into P minus Q cube, that is -1 into -1 cube, that is you will be getting 27 minus 64 plus 1. Hence you will be getting minus 36. And now we will say, by putting these values of PQR, which choice gives the answer minus 36. If I put these values, in this case, obviously this will give you the answer 0, hence this cannot be correct. And if I take these values here, again I am telling you the previous way is better and proper also. This is just as an alternative. Clearly, by taking these values, what you will be getting is 3 into 1 into 2 into -1 into 1 minus 2 into -1 minus 2 into -1 minus 1. That is, you will be getting 3 into 2 into 1 into 3 into 2. Minus has got cancelled because it has come 4 times. That is, you have got 36, but the answer was minus 36. Hence this is wrong. If you use higher common sense, it is not even required to put the value of PQR and check whether you are getting minus 36 or not, because obviously it cannot be multiple of 9, because look at the value of PQR 1, 2, only this can be multiple of 3. The whole cannot be multiple of 9, hence C is also wrong. But if you put the value of PQR here, you will be getting minus 36, hence D becomes the correct choice.